Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inserting the picture where you need it. Click Insert, choose Pictures, then pick your file and place it on the sheet. Once placed, make sure the Picture Format tab is visible. It gives immediate controls for size, crop, and wrap. You should also select a nearby cell as your visual anchor so the image is easier to align later. From here, you're ready to move into precise positioning and formatting to make the image behave in the spreadsheet. Now refine placement and scale. You can type exact dimensions in the size box to match cells or print dimensions. This is why numeric entry beats dragging. Hold Shift while you drag corners to preserve the image aspect ratio, and use Align commands to distribute multiple pictures evenly. If you need the image tied to cells, right-click, choose Size and Properties, and set Move and Size with cells. That ensures the picture behaves when you filter, sort, or resize rows and columns. Finish by applying final options. Compress if the workbook is large, apply picture styles or remove background, and decide whether to embed or link to the file. Linking updates the image when the source changes. When exporting to PDF or printing, preview to confirm DPI and layout. If something goes wrong, like a missing image, check the file path for links or simply reinsert the file and reapply size settings. That single troubleshooting step fixes most common picture issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.